Hello and welcome. My name is Sean Gambogi. I'm an attorney at the Kimmel firm, and for the past 10 years I've been handling car wrecks, workers' comp claims, and nursing home neglect claims in the state of Delaware. Today I thought I'd put together a short video entitled Top 5 Things to Do If You're Injured in a Car Wreck. The first thing you should do is consider contacting the police to investigate the collision. I can't count the number of times that I've had clients who said that the defendant admitted they were at fault, but later changed the story. If you contact the police, it helps to eliminate this problem because the police will come out, they'll investigate, they will take witness statements, they'll collect evidence, and if they do find the defendant to be at fault for the collision, they'll issue a traffic ticket. If the defendant pleads guilty to the traffic ticket, that automatically establishes one element of your claim liability. The second step that I would consider taking is to get a timely and thorough medical evaluation for the injuries that you believe you sustained in the car wreck. The reason I say this is oftentimes clients come to me and they've waited several weeks to get their injuries checked out by a doctor. This opens up an avenue for the insurance companies to argue either that your injuries didn't come from this collision or that they pre-existed before this collision. When I say get a thorough evaluation, you want to make sure that you document all the different body parts that were involved. If you just focused on the one that's bothering you the worst and then several months later address the other problems, there's going to be the same argument available to the insurance company questioning whether those problems came from this collision. So do yourself a favor and get a timely and thorough medical evaluation. The third step that I'd recommend taking is to immediately report a claim to your own insurance as well as the insurance for the other driver. In Delaware, we have a no-fault system, so no matter who is at fault for the collision, your own benefits for medical expenses and wages will be paid under your own personal injury protection policy on your auto insurance policy, regardless of who was at fault. So you want to open a claim with them as soon as possible because the faster the claim gets open, the faster the benefits get processed. There will be paperwork that needs to be completed, an application for benefit, and again, the sooner you get that rolling, the faster your benefits will begin. You also want to open the claim with the other driver's insurance so that they can investigate, take statements, and confirm liability so that you can proceed with your claim once you've completed treatment. The fourth step to consider taking is to be careful about what you post on your social media accounts. If you have a public Facebook, Instagram, Twitter account, any postings that you make on the account can be used against you in your claim. Frequently, insurance companies will monitor your postings and look for certain items to use against you. You're going to have good days and bad days when it comes to your injury, and if you're having a good day and you post about an activity that you did, the insurance company is going to try and use that to argue that you can do this kind of activity level all the time. So do yourself a favor, be careful about what you post on social media. The fifth step to consider taking is to give me a call and get me involved early in the process to help save you some stress in your life. You can reach me at 302-565-6125 for a free consultation. I have 10 years of experience doing this in the state of Delaware, and my firm has been around since 1972. With 12 attorneys and over 210 years of combined experience, we're the biggest law firm specializing in personal injury and workers' compensation in the state of Delaware. Getting me involved early in the process can save you a lot of headache. Thank you, and I hope this was helpful.